I feel it. I need to see some excitement. Luke's wine drunk. Oh my goodness. Not about that. Not about that at all. Mr. Videographer. Hands down favorite martini I've ever had is this one. Oh my goodness. Guys, we are the only ones here. Hello guys! Oh, I'm falling. Welcome back to my channel. This is a very exciting vlog because me and Luke are off to Byron. We just camped and I will have a whole camping van life video in a separate video because look at this setup. Pretty cool. That will be posted after this video. So anyway, we are like 10 minutes away from Byron. I think we're gonna go to the beach because it was supposed to storm, but look at this weather. She's sunny. I mean, cloudy but sunny, if that makes sense. So yeah, we're gonna head to the beach, I think, just have a chill swim day. We've got dinner, bar plans tonight at my favorite bar. And yeah, so I guess we'll check in when we get to the beach and check into our place. I don't feel the excitement. I don't feel it. I need to see some excitement. So, it turns out the place we booked, just everywhere in Byron Bay has had a power outage. So we're gonna go and try a different place. Luke's wine drunk. Oh my goodness. Are you okay? Hands down, favorite martini. Stop. Oh my god, I was nearly done. Hands down, favorite martini I've ever had is this one right now.
That's right. Yeah.
Hello guys! Okay, first full day in Byron and the weather was looking absolutely really just grey and moody this morning, and now it is like just after lunchtime and the sun is out. Look at this weather. Oh my gosh, we are at TALLOWS beach right now. Luke's getting some drone footage. I just could not believe it. Like literally the weather was like rainy, stormy, and Byron's like, nah, not about that. Not about that at all.
I know the story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a time when you were young and free. So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005 when we were still alive, when we were still alive.
Mr. Videographer, Look at you. Look at your equipment. Oh, the lighting is bright. Look at you. Set up. Hello guys, it is Wednesday. Second day in Byron. Third day in Byron. I don't even know. We are doing something very exciting. We are going to Killen Falls, which is this amazing waterfall. We have been there once before, but this time I'm going to vlog and show you guys how good it is. We are here at about 8:30, so we're hoping it's going to be a little bit quiet. Last time we were here, it was so busy. But yeah, let's go check it out. Oh my goodness. Guys, we are the only ones here. This is insane.
Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Alright, 'cause I'm free. I'm freer than I've ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm freer than I've ever been before. Alright, 'cause I'm freer than I've ever been before.
Never really saw you coming till you turned me around.
Guys, I am so sunburned. Right now, we just checked into our second place in Byron. Oh my god. And I'm just laying here with aloe vera on my face. And I feel like I was sunburnt yesterday, but it wasn't this bad. I think I was just laying out by the pool. And even though it's cloudy, it's gotten to my skin. It's made it worse. I should know this. Dumb mistake. So this is what I'm currently doing this afternoon. But the weather is not great today, unfortunately. A rainy day in Byron. So I think we're just going to chill this afternoon. We did have a big morning this morning with the waterfall and went out for lunch and everything like that. So it's been a very productive day. And now we're just chilling, and we are going to get some takeaway for dinner, I think. And maybe just go for a little rainy swim as well, if we have time. And I'm just letting this do its magic because my face is sore. Luke's gonna go for a swim in the rain. Oh, what'd you do? You broke it. Bye. Okay. Not vibing the swimming in the rain. Plus I'm sunburnt, hungry, sore. Good morning guys. It is Thursday and we are just chilling out the front of our Airbnb and drinking some coffee this morning. We don't have a lot planned for today. I really want to go to Bangalow, which is this town like 10 minutes out of Byron. Super trendy. It's pretty much like another little Byron. Super trendy cafe, super trendy shops. Gonna go check it out. I was saying before like just how much I love these sort of shared Airbnbs are. So this place is shared. We've got like a shared kitchen, a shared pool, and like living area, but we've got our own room and toilet and that sort of thing. But just the fact that you get so much extra with these shared places, like you get coffee, breakfast, towels. Literally they had sunscreen and like aloe vera for us to just use. Like it's nice, all the little extra stuff that you get, and it's usually cheaper than hiring out like a private place to yourself. So we love that. Morning in Byron. I'm gonna quickly go get some breakfast. Waffles, whoop whoop. Another pretty cloudy day, but we are gonna go camping tonight, and the weekend is supposed to be, let me just wait for this garbage truck. The weekend is supposed to be super sunny, which is good for camping. That is a good thing. Luke, be happy. Yeah, he just woke up. Okay, that's fair enough. We're gonna go to the general store, get some waffles. I'm so excited. It's like my favorite place. Oh, there's someone in the car. That's awkward. Okay guys, sorry I have not checked in after breakfast this morning, but pretty much we had breakfast at the general store and literally just got in the van and drove to our next camping spot, which we are just checking in at Hat Head. Looking amazing and stunning, but I will be ending this Byron vlog here. So if you do want to check out our whole van life camping element to the trip, it'll be in my next vlog, so make sure you subscribe, and it'll be up very, very soon, so you can see all of our camping experiences and staying in a van and all that jazz. I'm very excited. Yeah, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog and got some helpful tips and awesome places to visit in Byron. I love, 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 love Byron. It's just good vibes all the time, which is just, it's what you want. Like this, we just go there all the time. So yeah, I hope you got some good tips, good places to go. Please subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next vlog.